Hello guys and welcome. Today we have two strategies for binary option, so watch this video till the end to know the results, and also I will share a part of my profit with you, of course. So share this video with your friends so we can increase your chances to win. And let's get started maybe. Alright, we are on the profits, on a broker. We will be on the profits soon. So I have already analyzed and selected all currency pairs. We start with the $700 right now, and yep, you can see everything before your eyes. And I analyzed the movement for today. I came to the conclusion that for the first strategy, as in most cases, of course, I do this. I will focus on the trend, and today I will apply the following selection indicators. It will include an alligator, right, and a fractal with default settings, and CCI oscillator with a period of 10 as usual. We will also focus on updating local highs and lows and monitor areas of oversold and overbought on CCI oscillator. In general, I think the trade will be interesting for the first strategy, and there should be no questions about the use of this strategy. I will try to explain as always in detail every transaction. So let's get started. I will start with the $700 and find the first currency pair. Okay guys, let's open here short position. So damn, not very successful opening level, of course, immediately after opening. In most cases, sometimes we have a sharp upward impulses of the candle, but I think that the exit should still happen and we will actually close the deal in plus. Here I have a downward movement, dynamics, and I'm guided by the trend here, of course, because the alligator, previously we see how strong the ascending volumes, guys, were on this currency pair, and our price was moving down, but now our price is moving to global lows, to the touch points, and after this price pulled back and concluded that our further dynamics should go down. Entering the deal was absolutely simple, and yep, the first position is in profits without any problems. I closed in a plus. Let's change the amount to the transaction value. I will put on $650 to open two positions in a maximum amount. So let's open two positions. Let me find it. Okay, I caught it. Two long positions, guys, most likely. No, everything is correct. The opening here is already taking place in the direction of the trend for some reason, yes. In two trades, I focus exclusively on the trend. Actually, here we see that after updating the global minimum, this one, our price dynamics changed, and by in a large, it's better to open a position for long in the direction of the actual trend, of course. So here, after updating the local maximum, guys, the price went into rollback, updated its local minimum, and you could notice when entering the trade that there was a sharp downward impulse, and this was an excellent entry. An excellent entry point, I want to say, which I actually took advantage of, which is why I opened long position. So we have 2 seconds, and yep, we're in the profits. Okay, that's great. But no, not so. We ended up at zero because one position closed in the negative. There was also a sharp downward impulse, but it's okay. I'll continue trading. Let's put down $619. I'll select the next currency pair. It's not a big deal, it's all right, just the movement. So yeah, let me find another currency pair. All right, let's open our positions here for a short. I think that there should be slight pullback in dynamics in a minute or two. Perhaps here the trend will change its direction generally, since the moving lines of the alligator are starting to intersect here. You see that? So this picks precisely of a change in the direction of the movement, but nevertheless, here I focus on the oscillator in more details and see a way out of the overbought area for it. The moving line crosses this value, yeah, and in theory there should be a small rollback for a minute or two. Let's watch. We have 15 seconds. And yep, we're in the profits, of course. The strategy is easy, everything is easy. So yeah, the rollback happened. I saw that, and we are in the profits. Okay, I guess this is good profit for our first strategy. Let's move to the second one. Nice result. Let's fix it. Let's move to the withdrawal and then move to the second strategy. Okay, operation successfully done. Let's move to the second strategy right away. So guys, this is the second strategy. I have selected next indicators for it, such as fractal bands, fractal, and CCI oscillator again with a period of 10 as before. Today we will be guided by the trend as previously. If possible, we will use breakout strategy, two fractal trends indicators with default settings, and the overbought and oversold area will also play an important role today. We will also monitor this, and today I have carried out detailed analysis too for the second strategy, so I will be absolutely confident on each of my transactions and propose to start with the $765. I traded a bit, so yeah, let's proceed, and let me select the first currency pair for new strategy. Alright, short position here. I will immediately open it. Why not? Despite the fact that we have for the most part now the dynamics of the movement area are upward nature. I think that that's still a small rollback downward should occur in the next perhaps 1 minute, maybe two. Here it will work for us breakout strategy, so listen closely. As I said at the beginning, a breakout actually occurred in this area, a breakout of the lower moving line along the fractal, and I think that our further dynamic should go even lower. Also here we have already crossed an oversold area. Most likely soon our dynamics will rush upward, but I think we will end up in the price corridor, right? And actually a downward impulse has already followed. We have 5 seconds, and the first position will be in the profits without any problems. Just right now we did it. Alright, great. Let's change the amount of the value. I'll bet $719 to open for a full amount. I'll try to find a deal for a long position, and let's continue. Alright, 2 long positions, guys, here. Here we have a relatively good entry. Previously the trend dynamics were downward, right? Now it's possible there is certain stage of recovery, yeah, but in any case we have a point, right, where the resistance area touched several price levels higher, and at this point there was a breakdown, the intersection of the upper moving average, moving fractal from bottom to top, and also another intersection along the moving line of the oscillator. Since we had a pullback earlier, yeah, it came out of the oversold area and is now heating up again after this rollback. So let's look at the results. A few seconds left before the closing. First one and the second one. All right, we're in the profits, guys. That's great. For today we have good results. Nice profit. I like it. Our price going upward, as I said, because of the touch points. In general it was predictable. So well, let's move to my favorite part of the video, withdraw. And we did it. Operation successfully done, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think about those strategies. Also, I showed you the strategy, breakout strategy, so try it on too. And don't forget about the likes, comments, subscriptions to my YouTube and Telegram channel, guys. All the links you may find below in the description. Have a good market, have a good profit. Bye bye.